Tips for a successful and fun camping experience. If you've ever been camping before, then you know how hard it is to plan a camping trip. You have to find the right location for a campsite, choose what to bring, plan for bad weather, and more. Luckily for you, planning your next camping trip can be easier thanks to the following video. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. To increase your sleeping experience while camping, bring a pad along that you can place under your sleeping bag. This pad acts as a barrier between you and the hard ground where twigs and tree knots may cause strange sleeping conditions. If a pad isn't handy, bring a few extra blankets that you can fold over on themselves to create some cushion. Keep the needs of your family in mind before selecting a destination. For example, if you have a baby or toddler, it may be best to stick close to home in case things don't go as planned. If you have teenagers, however, you may enjoy traveling to a different state. Choose what is best for you. If you are camping and the weather is starting to rise significantly, tell the coolers that you have with you and put them somewhere in the shade. It will also help to keep them covered with some type of tarp. This will keep the temperature inside the cooler from rising too much. Before you bring your dog along for a camping trip, get him used to the idea with a little practice run in the backyard. Pitch the tent in an already familiar area, and let him sleep or play in it for a while. Bringing a dog can really add to the fun of camping, so long as the animal has been adequately prepared for the event. Hopefully after watching this video, you can have an easier time planning your camping trip. Camping is an experience that should be enjoyed by everyone, and it should be as easy as possible. Once you put the information presented here to good use, you'll be camping with ease in no time. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.